Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno Wodi. They respond to some people wey go talk for ITV News. Say the ban of Okaigele na fight against the Oba of Benin Palace. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remember humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno, Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stan Lusadi Enterprise, in fact the CFO man Edo State. So today we have issues in our state in respect to land activities and the activities of land grabbers in the state. First and foremost, I want us to understand something, that if we all want a better society, we must be ready to do what is right and to ensure that even if such policy designed to create a better society affects us in person, we must first of all allow the interest of the overall society prevail over our personal or egocentric interest, as the case may be. This brings us to the issue of the restriction placed by the government of Governor Godwin Obaseki on Okaigele's, CDAs, and all other groups in Edo State. As at yesterday, I discussed about the Uhen Horomi, and today, I want us to understand something. Obaseki did not come out to say he banned Okaigele from existing in communities. No. But they have been banned from conducting illegal land activities in the states. Now, I watched on ITV where some group of persons responded to the supposed ban, claiming that it is a fight against the palace of the Oba of Benin. I want to state this clearly, that nobody should create conflict between the palace and the government. And those who want to seek asylum under the guise of palace should know that they will fail. Those who want to hide to say the Okaigele ship is for palace, we are hiding. You want to use it as an to seek asylum, to continue to perpetuate evil. Ask yourself a simple question. Did the palace send you as an Okaigele to go and be taking people's land? The name Okaigele is the same thing as chairman. And it was the Oba of Benin, in collaboration with the government of Edo State, who banned the activity of CDA, specifically the youth chairmanship activities in community. This Okaigele that we are talking about, are they old men? So you want to seek asylum, say, hey, it is the palace, the Okaigele has been in existence. Yes, Okaigele is in existence right from time immemorial. Yes. But the Okaigele responsibility is never to sell land in the community. If you want to do Okaigele, go and be pounding yam in Ogwetio for the Ojo Weres and the Enoge. When they want to do their feast or celebration, Okaigele have to mobilize the youth to pound the yam or other necessary activity that's expedient. For those who are police, Okaigele mobilize the youth, we call it Wagea Bourre. Ure. Okaigele mobilize the youth to clear the road maintenance. More especially when grasses are taking over the road path, footpaths, which is mainly used for agricultural purposes in our various communities. Okaigele mobilize the youth to go and bourre, otherwise known as clear the road for proper maintenance. Okaigele does not have a responsibility to begin to sell land in the community and to begin to take over lands that has been sold in the past. Or in the name of Okaigele, you get to the land, you beat property developer, intimidate them with whichever way you wish to intimidate them. Okay, now I want to ask a simple question. Somebody bought a land some few years ago, let's say 10 years ago, 5 years ago, or even 3 years ago. In the previous government, in the community, maybe, okay, let's say the previous Ojon Were Okaigele, as the case may be. And New York Agele came in. He said, I want to do verification of what have been sold in the past. Instead of the Okagele to tell them, okay, bring your papers, let me see if your paper is genuine. You are saying, come and pay 200,000 verification fee. What are you verifying? What are you verifying? You collect a woeful sum of 200,000 naira from somebody who bought a land from your community, and since you are a part and parcel of the community, it is quite obvious that you were aware that this person bought, and you want to collect 200,000. Or in the name of verification. What are you verifying? These people should be warned. Don't go and hide under the guise of, from the palace. No, the palace did not send you to go and be selling people's land. No, the governor did not say don't do your Okagele-ship. Go and be pardoning a man in Ogwedio. That is what Okagele is known for. If it has not been banned, fine. When the government of the state and the traditional institution in the state says, we are no longer comfortable with this task, desist. Don't be manipulating, changing names. I'm coming, excuse me, come. Give me some minutes, let me open. My staffs are here. Don't be manipulating under the guise of the Okagele has been in existence right from the one. Obaseki did not say don't continue doing Okagele. Go and do your Okagele in the Ogwedio. Security of the community. Yes. But to say you want to go and be selling people's land, land that has been sold, you are going there to say somebody wants to build a house. Now you say, come and pay me a molu. Who are you to collect a molu? Are you the Ojonwe? I want to tell you today, this Okagele that you are talking about, ask yourself a simple question. They said, it is the offer that gave us that said we should be working with the Ojonwe. So, Ojonwe sent us. How many Ojonwe is richer than Okagele in any of these communities? How many of these Okagele takes directive from the Ojonwe? They act on their own. In fact, they are gods in their various communities. The truth of it, not until Edo people opens their eyes, we will know where our problem is coming from. But for now, we'll continue to remain in darkness. That is the truth. Nobody can speak. Nobody fit talk. If you talk, pastor is supposed to, they'll call you name. The best thing is you go hide. Now, I pasted a video on my wall yesterday on Facebook. A house built up to a Banita level. In fact, let me show you. Not because they say I paste. Because not everybody see them. Let me show you. Abi Okagele. Please share this video. Please share this video. For inviting me. Are you using the name of Okagele to be taking over people's land? Now look at this video. First, picture A, please, is, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me just show you. Picture A is a full building belonging to somebody. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Now, this is the full building. This building was demolished by the Ohen of Okoromi. Now look at the demolished property on the video. Now, the same building where you see here just now the level so. The low level of the ground. Who gave them the temerity whatsoever? Because you want to sell out. Because you want to sell land. The question is, who gave you the temerity whatsoever to do such? I think in Edo State today, we should be able to define our various boundaries. There is a pure agreement from the palace and the Oba and the government that CDA activity should stop. I did CDA. You don't have anything to tell me. I'll call you immediately. I forgot yesterday. I'll call you. I'm doing something now. I did CDA activities in the past, but the government and the Oba said, stop. As we speak today, I was grumbling. Then, that's true. Oh, go away now. But nobody's above the law. Let me quickly advise you. If government tell you say no do, Obaseki don dey vex as e dey there so. Oga no go be scapegoat to. If government, you will know, we will see how you are going to fight a constituted authority. We will see how you will succeed in fighting a constituted authority as government. Government only respects people if they choose to. Nobody where government no fit deal with. Nobody where government no go fit deal with. Now the truth I tell you so. The only supernatural being where government no fit deal with is God. And you and I agree that after God, now government. The government is not the governor alone. The governor is the general overseer. Government now the full regime. We advise. You do not need, let me tell you waiting. Even me, when they make the antecedent law from the beginning, believe me, I grumble. But me no say government power too much. I don't want to be scapegoat. Now by myself, they show. I went to school. My profession when I study, it be like person will learn work. All I needed is the patronage, which today I am getting through all Edo people around the world. I am most grateful. I don't need to go to the bush to say I want to sell it. Yes, was I would have already sold land in the past. I won't deceive you. I will not say a good past there. No. But now there is a law. It is a must that you must adhere strictly to the law. Go to some communities. Okagele is suspending Ojonwe. Okagele, they are busy suspending Ojonwe. Okagele of what? The highest you can do as an Okagele, go and be pounding a man in Ogwedio. Some people are saying, okay, who will they not send to the bush? Fine. If the elders in council sits, they can say, come, you. Go to the bush. Don't beat anybody. Bring them to us. Let's see how they manage to enter into our community. Not be say Ojo wait there as okay, I gotta get in your place where they go sit down. He go say, according, go into that book, beat all of them, bring it. They'll pack everything, come where they. You go settle there where they, you settle finish. Ojo we don't know who settle. You don't know who not settle. Okay, I gotta begin to buy more to buy aeroplane, buy everything. They look for guests where rap, where spot not their body, where they want carry. The very day when they come out for regime, when they tell us, okay, you're no longer the career, that is the very day when they'll start to pour. The very day when they say you are no longer the Okagele, this is a new Okagele. Now that day when they come on, no matter the money when they see, that day will be the beginning of their poverty. That is the beginning of their poverty. Excuse me. See, okay. The one they call the queen, the one whip up unnecessary sentiment. Say they started to if they fight the Oba. Oba second, no issue between, even if they want to trickle it, open gate for them. They want to trickle it into the artifact issue. And because the artifact, so that they will now whip up unnecessary sentiment and seek asylum to continue to perpetrate evil. Okagele, you have been banned from selling land. Go and be panding a man. Go and work with your Odionwe. Odionwe wants to do Iguel Yalema. You want to do something. There are people threatening the community. You are not the one to be giving Edas or the Odionwe money in the community. The whole of Okagele and Ucheme are all richer than the Odionwe. I was richer than Odionwe. Despite the fact that all true, I did not intimidate one person. I mean, you want to about community. Only person where not go feel leave community matter. Now not learn work, you not go school. I not go no sell land go finish one day. Now people selling road. Now people selling road. Today they never enter us. Ring road never finish. A marking ring road. When they selling road that time, they say man. For we get me ring road finish. So you wait till say you get land for your community soon. If they sell a fee, you not learn work, you not go school. Bros, now that very day, your poverty will start. Can you sustain resources where you know they put back? No need to, excuse me 1 minute. No need to sit down and they move now. Let me give you the number. Call the person now. He's waiting for you guys now. Someone will start with that survey. Then you get on that person number one. Then the number one yes, one are not complete. You get the one first set for you when you say now woman pick. Call on. Then the one when I fair go do, the number I give you, write and give me. I want to call the person. Miss, I forget the number I save you, brother. So make it send and come. Let me give you the number now. Please, excuse me, don't be angry, please. Now give me the work when I do so. When my staff won't go do so, I bet why go. Which one? I sent and give you before. I not get them. What you tell me? You go find out. I can come off. You not write down for paper?
No.
Bros, how far? I did on video, bros. Yeah, you did video. I did 080 68 20 81. Take the last number. Maybe that one. You made enough. You have to secure the. So that is that. All right. Where did I want you? Call her now. See where you did. Gonna go call her for that side. So that is it. Sorry for this mistake, please. We have to just. Somebody's waiting for them somewhere, and they have to go. So they not learn work. They not go school. Now people say ring road. As I tell you, everyone hear ring road. As we speak today, they don't enter us. They don't enter us. Excuse me, Ebazo, you get 3 kobo there. Give the 3 kobo to try and give you. Use ATM, borrow. Go and use ATM. If you come, I give you. Use your ATM. You not get 3 kobo, and you get your steady. So these people, they not learn work. They not go school. That tomorrow, how can you sustain where for the take where you know they put? Many of them will end up being a criminal. Then I want to advise the government, it is good to come out with this kind of law. It is also good to create an opportunity for those who will be relieved of their duty they should have a place to as well work. They say, okay, I get away to round up. You will get your OND bring on, HND bring on, BSc bring on. Who not get them? Now you can know. You will learn shoemaker. Come, go to the innovative hub. Go and practice your this thing. Then when you through, government will empower you to start your shoemaker. Everybody should go and work. I dey talk boldly today because I dey work. If I know the work, I'll go ahead. If I know the work, I no learn work, I no go school. The same land where you say me sell land. So why be say me they talk with full voice? Say me they stop, me they really stop you. Because myself, that in fact, when it comes to my own issue, I not do community matter from the beginning. I talk for video here. I said they came to beg me in my house to go into to enter that. They come beg me more than 3 weeks. And they beg me every day to come enter position. I say I know they do. Not be noise. Confirm. I'm an indigenous of Igbo community. Go and ask. They came to my house to beg me. If my guys they watch me and they talk and left now, they came to beg me to enter that position. I did not hustle to enter the position. I not shoot one bullet. I not come up and say fight. They came to beg me to come and contest, and I contested an election and I won. Go and learn work. Now I want to say this to Obaseki, the governor of Edo State. Your Excellency, enforce this level in full. Now other splinters group simply means both Ohe. Now we are defining terminology now. Other splinters group simply means both Ohe, both Enogi, and even the Ojon Weres. Yes, if the Ojon Were have the right whatsoever and the Enogi, they have the right whatsoever to oversee their community. But in a situation where report come, say land where somebody don't feel bad, they won't go resell it because they don't get land again. These people should be the first to be made scapegoats. E.g., Ohe of Okoromi and Ohe of Arugba. These two people must be the first, sorry, not must, but they should be the first scapegoat because there are more evidences that these people are the serial and chronic land grabbers in Edo State. Now, let me tell you, if a government tells you that they have prohibited land grabbing activity in the state, they are helping you. If the government tells you that they have stopped CDA, they are helping you. If the government tells you that they have banned Okayele interference into land matters in the state, they are helping you. I want to tell you why. When they banned it during my tenure, now I go to my community, they'll tell you. They're not telling me, saying, don't you tell me you can't stop. Oh, you never stop. You must stop. Oh. I left the position myself. Position where people they shoot go. And see, when they drag to hole, I by myself, I know they do again. I not like make government can't use me to do scapegoats. And they learn from other people's mistake. They are helping you in the sense that today, when they do CDA shift and youth chairmanship position, I not remember say as I be survey. I not remember say I be professional town planner. When the thing come out, now quickly run enter SARS. Dust everything when I sabi. As we speak today, I'm sitting here doing a live video. Later in the day, all my activity respect to CFO, yes, I will manage the whole of them. I'll go do the activities. Staffs are already moving, going to the bush to work. I said it yesterday. Indirect employment created by Obaseki administration. About 6 of them just left this morning. Others are somewhere doing other things. Yes, they are working under me. I am working for Edo people who in turn gets their CFO and survey from the Edo State. Those of us who criticize the government in the past and those of us who supported the government in the past are all working under this government indirectly today. And let me tell you, even President Donald Trump, President Joe Biden, and other leaders around the world cannot employ all the citizens. Even in America, 80% of the employment is created by private sector because the government have built a well-functional economy. Let me take some reactions because one of the principles of communication is feedback. Hello? Good morning, ma. Mama, why yes, Mama, why they waiting a real live video? Okay, I'll call you. So that is it. So to me, let me take reactions from when you are discussing, you must put into cognizance feedback. Where necessary, you can bring somebody in to as well discuss. This one said, government only stop activities of Okagele. Let them stop crying. Government has never said Okagele is not recognized. Good. They should not stop crying. Let them be crying. Let them cry blood. Go and walk. Your Okagele ship, go and use it to pound them and go with you. That is the responsibility to protect our traditional institution. You have metamorphosed from youth chairmanship to Okagele to be selling land that have been sold in the past. Some of the chairmen and Okagele of community are now becoming Uhen. Is what, okay, you can imagine. This one say, the governor has done the best thing for the benefit of all Edo people. That is the simple truth. That is the simple truth. These same people wants to whip up on any sentiment to say, if it is because the Obana invited Okagele, that is very. Did Oba send you to be selling people's land? If Oba was the one who sent you, come and say it publicly. Oba did not send you to be selling people's land. Oba did not send you to be beating developers. In case you are not aware, today, majority of Edo citizens don't even buy land in Edo again. They go, in fact, I have received more than 50 calls to go and do CFO in Lagos for Ebinima, to go and do CFO in Osun for Ebinima. They are not afraid to buy land in their own town. In fact, I'm doing a CFO for a woman in one community. The woman bought a land. She paid for economic tree. It is normal. Now, you buy a land, even if there is bushes on the land. Somebody farmed in that place. It is called a Miyoko. You pay it, fine. Emolu, you go to the community, you meet your Ojonwe or anybody. I want to pay them, but I cannot. This is Emolu. This youth is coming to say, pay for road, pay for roofing, pay for water, pay for fence, pay for this, pay for that, pay for this. If it easy, may you go buy land, may you build us. If it easy, may you go buy land, make you build us. Edo people are now afraid. They can't even buy. They cannot even buy land in their own town again. Eleva, you will see that the language is Eleva. Agberabade. Me. See, if from nothing a month, scapegoat not there, I will not be happy with government. Obaseki, you must, as a matter of urgency, bring out a very well organized scapegoat. Make it not be like say we dey make law on paper. Who want cry, make it cry. If they like, they cry blood. Because if they cry now, people wey they deal with, they cry every day. Let's protect them as well. More reactions, please. Okay, this one say thank you for sensitizing our people. This one say they give lands to their girlfriends. That's true. This one say I stand with the governor. This one say Ojo wey son sell my land. As I'm talking to you now, foundation is inside my land from another man. You see am? Ojo wey son sell the land. As he's speaking now, foundation dey the land. This one say please tell them it's worse. I will not want to mention name of communities. He said tell them it is worse in, you can read the comment yourself, but I don't want to mention name of any community. But I will mention the name of Awogba and Okoromi because these people hold up too much. Somebody said the noise of your chair is disturbing the broadcast. Okay, let me change my chair so that I will not disturb the broadcast. Say the noise of your chair is disturbing the broadcast. So I've changed to avoid this disturbance. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Okagele is not an occupation. They should go and look for better things to do for a living. Simple. This one say, Okagele and Uhe must stop grabbing people's land. Simple.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.